to a new Thrive Themes tutorial in which we will go through the steps for setting up a connection between a Klick-Tipp account and one of your opt-in forms. So first off, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and click on Thrive Dashboard. Now look for the API Connections card, and once found, click on Manage Connections. Here you can see a full list of already set up integrations, so in order to add a new one, click on Add New Connection. And now from this drop-down list, you can either scroll down and look for the Klick-Tipp integration, or you can simply type the name here, and once you can see it in the list, just click on it and select it. The next step is adding your credentials, so here you will need to type in the Klick-Tipp username and password. After you've done this, click on Connect, and as soon as the connection is ready, you should receive this notification. Click on Done and you will see these options right here from where you can test, edit or remove the connection. An important thing to keep in mind here is that in order for the API integration to work, you need to have a premium Klick-Tipp account. Moving forward to the next step, let's see how to connect Klick-Tipp to a lead generation element. So for that, I'm going to go to the Pages section of my WordPress admin dashboard and open a Thrive Architect page. This is the page that I want to use, so I'm just going to click on Edit with Thrive Architect. After the page has loaded on the screen, simply click on the plus sign from this right sidebar and then look for the lead generation element. Once found, grab it and then drag and drop it to your page to the desired location and pick a template from the template library. Instantly, the main options of the element have appeared in the left sidebar, so you can start using them accordingly. We do have a dedicated article about how to use the lead generation element, so make sure to check it out if you want to learn more. The first thing to do in the left sidebar options is to make sure that the API button is selected here in the connection section. Next, click on Add Connection, and as you can see, a pop-up window will appear with a drop-down list where you can select the Klick-Tipp integration. After you've done this, you can proceed with selecting a mailing list from the next drop-down, so go ahead and select the mailing list that you've previously set up in your Klick-Tipp account. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Additionally, you can add tags to your forms if you want, and this will allow you to segment your subscribers based on various tags that you've set up. Once everything is done, click on Apply and save your changes. Now, as you can see, the next thing you can customize in your main options are the form fields. So you can customize them as you best see fit. You can edit or remove them or just add new ones from this button right here. And lastly, you can also decide what happens after the user subscribes through your form. So you can redirect the user to a custom URL or display a success notification, or if you want, you can also redirect the user to a Klick-Tipp thank you URL. When you are done with customizing the element, click on the Save Work button, and this is it, the connection is ready to be used. Now let's see how to create a connection between your Klick-Tipp account and an opt-in form from Thrive Leads. So in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Thrive Dashboard and select Thrive Leads. In this window, look for the lead group that has the type of opt-in form you want to connect and click on it to view the full list. Now you can see that I have here a list with all the form types that I've added for my Klick-Tipp integration, so I'll just go ahead and select the one which I want to work on, and in this case it's gonna be this lightbox right here, so I'm gonna click on the Edit button from here. This will take me to another list with all the lightbox types of forms. I only have one here for this example, but you can add more if you want from this Add New Form button. The next thing you need to do is to click on the Edit Design button. Once the Thrive Architect editor has opened, look for the lead generation element in the opt-in form template that you have on your page. I'm going to click on it to select it, and as you can see, the main options have appeared in the left sidebar. Now you can simply set up the connection just as in the case of the lead generation element. These are the ways in which you can set up the Klick-Tipp integration with one of your opt-in forms. I really hope this tutorial was useful to you, and as usual, please make sure to check out all the other tutorials that we have created to get more familiar with Thrive Themes and all of our products and features.